Hi, my name is Matthew Hill, and I work at Redekop Manufacturing in research and development as a mechanical engineer in training. I'm here today to talk about the most important wear components you'll find in your MAV-type chopper, your blades. When a customer breaks a blade, sometimes we get asked, why do I have to buy a blade kit that has 8 in it rather than buying just one? Well, the reason is balance. Your rotor is very high speed, and if you don't replace the right equipment, you could get vibrations. So each lug on the rotor has 2 blades, and when you break one, you have to replace both. But you also have to replace the blades on the lug immediately on the other side of the rotor, and the lugs on the other end of the rotor as well. This will help keep vibrations down in your MAV chopper.